Morning, it's Quant Trade Edge, and I was just doing a very quick video to follow up on the crude oil call yesterday. So yesterday, while we were inside this big mess here, and we had not yet taken out the previous day low, I said that based on the GAN count, it had to do one of two things. It had to either not take out that low and continue higher, or if it did take out that low, it was going to create an outside up day. And that's the only way to keep the GAN count the same. So here, I'll put the GAN count back on. And you'll see that we have this leg up, this one bar leg down, and now this leg up. And now we have taken out this level. In fact, the reason I thought that we had to do that was because this bar here hadn't tested high enough. So even if you take it down, that doesn't really complete a good ABC. So if we took out that low, I expected to have this outside up day so we could go and tag that region. And here, if we get onto a 5-minute chart, and let's put our high and low of day back on. You know, we made that call, I don't know, sometime last night, maybe 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. And, you know, while we were all in this, and then around the European Open, 225, we had this break of previous day low. And then I came back in this morning around here, 5:36, and realized that we had that low. We reversed off, and this was the easy trade of the day. You know, $1.50 to the upside just to get to previous day high, and we've gone about another 50 cents, so $2 move. So this is just like the other day, you know, the other time when I called the same pattern on ES, and we were 50 points away. So it's just kind of a nice thing to keep an eye on, and always do your homework and know where the GAN counts are to understand if this type of thing is setting up, because it's a very high return to risk ratio, because you're essentially expecting it to cross the entire day's range. If you're expecting an outside day, you know, and it breaks below, you're expecting a full day's range worth of motion. So anyway, just a quick follow-up video on that. Now that we have taken out this upside, you know, I mean, it's not really a clear signal here, and that's part of trading, is understanding when you have an edge and when you don't. And at this point, you know, we have this trend line here. Okay, so that's potentially a positive, not confirmed yet. And this is your ABC up, could be topping. The last leg down was smaller, so this is also a U-turn. So we're getting a daily U-turn at the trend line break. You know, that seems pretty positive. You have to wait and see how it ends up. Whoops.